Good morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all good. So in previous session we had already completed chapter 1 and I sent notes in Google Classroom, so once check it and complete children. So now open 15 page number. Okay, open studio page number 15 numbers. So now in this class we are going to start second chapter. So what is the title of the chapter? Numbers. First we are given pep activity children. Write the number of hundreds, tens and ones. So we had already learnt numbers in class 2. Am I correct children? So now here we have to count number of hundreds, tens and ones. Yes children, we already know that. This is sheet. Okay, what is this? Sheet. Okay, each sheet have 100 blocks. Okay, a sheet having 100 blocks. So we can say that sheet as 100. We can say that sheet as 100. A sheet as 100 and a strip. Okay, strip as tens and single blocks as 1. So count total how many sheets are here children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here how many hundreds are there? 900. And then count the number of strips and write in tens place, and then count number of blocks and write in ones place. Yes, how many strips are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 strips means 9 tens. And how many single blocks are here? So count everyone. So total 9 blocks are there children. So can anyone read this number? Yes, how can we read this number? So it is in hundreds place 9 and in tens place 9 and in ones place also 9. So this is 999. Okay, this is 999. So in PEP 2.1 the number formed is 999. Let us add one more block of ones to this number. Okay, here total in 999 we can say that 9 hundreds, 9 tens and 9 ones. So now we have to add one more block to the ones place children. So now do you know what it becomes? So when one block of ones is added to 9 block of ones, we get it 10 ones. So if we add one block to 9 ones, it becomes 10 ones now children. So these 10 ones can be regrouped as 1 tens. So if we add 1 to the number 9, we will get 10 now children. So now what you will do? 10 ones. So now we have to regroup 10 ones as 1 10 children. Okay, here like this. You have to, if we add one block to 9 ones, if it is 10 ones now. So and then we have to regroup 10 ones into 1 10. So now we have 10 strip of tens. This can be regrouped to form 100 sheets. So how many sheets of hundreds do we have now? So now here you have to count totally how many sheets of hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally 100 sheets are there. So how many sheets of hundreds do we have now here given now? So write 10. Okay, write 10. Next, 10 sheets of hundreds together to form 1 cube of 1000. Okay children, 10 sheets of 100. These 10 sheets of hundreds to make 1 cube. So cube means it has 1000 children. Okay, cube shows 1000. So actually one block means 1 and strip means 10, sheet as 100 and cube as 1000. Okay, have to remember like this. Next, on the place value chart it is written as. So how can we write 1000 children? So if we add 1 to the 909, it becomes 1000. Am I correct? If we add 1 to the 999, it is 1000. So how can we write 1000 in place value chart? So write ones place and then tens place and then hundreds and then 1000. So how we have to write 1000? 1000. So this is 1000. Okay children, this is 1000. The number 1000 is written as 100 and say that 1 group of thousands, 0 group of hundreds, 0 groups of tens and 0 groups of ones. Okay. So next turn to next page children, page number 17. Here is another number. So you have to count it children first. How many cubes are here? Yes, we know that cube has 1000. So how many cubes are here? 2 cubes. And then count the sheets. How many sheets are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 sheets. So here write 2000. Okay, 2000 and then 800. So now count how many strips are here children? 1, 2, 3. It's 3 strips. Okay, 3 strips means it's 3 tens. And how many single blocks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 1. Here totally 2000s, 800s, 3 tens and 4 ones. So on the place value chart it is written. So now we write this number on the place value chart. So write places first. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Yes, how many thousands are there children? 2000. So write 2 in thousands place. How many hundreds? 800s. And how many tens? 3 tens. How many ones? 4 ones. So now everyone read this number children. So the number formed is 2834. Okay, 2834. So while writing a 4-digit number, we follow this order. Okay, while writing 4-digit number, first we have to write 2. Thousands place. 2000. Okay, while writing 4-digit number, we have to follow this order. First thousands, 2000, and then hundreds, 800, and then tens, 30, and then ones, 4. This is 2834. Okay children, this is 2834. Now everyone open companion children, page number 7. Gear up. Count the blocks to find the number. Write the number at its number name. Okay, here you have to count the block, and in the first one you have to write number, and in second one you have to write number name children. And then complete the table with face value and place value of the colored in red. Okay, in the second Roman, what you have to do? You have to write the face value and place value of the digits colored in red. So we have already discussed about face value and place value children. Yes, what is face value? So face value means just you have to write the value of the digit itself. But coming to the place value always depends its place. So just I am explaining first number children here given 672 and the 7 colored in red. So here you have to write the face value of 7 and place value of 7. Yes children, here you have to write face value of 7 and place value of 7. So how we have to write face value and place value? So yes, you can think children, we know that face value means just you have to write the same digit itself. You have to write the same digit. So face value of 7 is only 7. Face value of 7 is only 7. Now coming to the place value always depends its place. Place value always depends its place. So check the place children. So here 7 is in ones place or tens place or hundreds place, you have to check. Yes, this is ones place, tens place, 100. So 7 is in tens place. So 7 is in tens place. Now children, what is the place value of 7? So how can we read this number children? We are reading only 7. No, 7 is in tens place, so we are reading 70. So the place value of 7 is 70. So once read this number 672. So why we are reading 672 children? So according to place value, so it is 672 70 and 2. So the place value of 7 is 70. So like that you have to complete remaining children. And then third Roman, write the expanded form of the given numbers. So what means expanded form? So expanded form is writing number as sum of the place values. Sum of the place values. First here given 307. So give places children, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 in hundreds place. So 300 plus in tens place 0 is there, no. You have to write 0 or not writing 0, both are okay. And 7. So 300 plus 7. This is expanded form. So like that you have to write expanded form of 532. Next, fourth one. Turn to next page, page number 8. Form as many 3-digit numbers as possible. Using the given digit, use each digit only once in a number. Okay, fourth Roman children, we are given 3 digits. 1, 3, 4. You have to form as many 3-digit numbers possible. You have to use each digit once only children. So in class 2 we had already completed this. Did you remember or not children? Here you have to use these 3 digits to form possible 3-digit numbers. So first I am writing, I am using smaller number children 134. And I am just changing these two. 143. Okay, in hundreds place here I wrote 1, 1. So next I am taking 3 in hundreds place. So 341 and 314. So this is one more number. And now I am taking 4 in hundreds place. 413 and 431. So just you have to change it places and you have to write. We can write 6 possible numbers children. We use 3 digits to form 6 possible numbers. So like that you have to write the second one children. You have to use 410 to write possible numbers. Okay, how to use 410 to write possible numbers. Yes, okay children. So everyone complete companion Roman 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is your homework children and this is about today's class. So in today's class we had discussed about numbers. So we know that children, one block as 1 and one strip as 10 and one sheet as 100 and one cube as 1000. If the numbers given in cubes, now we have to count how many cubes are there. If 4 cubes are there means 4000 and 3 sheets are there means 300. And next counting strips. How many strips are there we have to count and write in tens place. And then how many single blocks are there we have to count it and write in ones place. So everyone complete work given in companion children. This is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.